Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to Dobson Party of 9. Welcome back to another vlog. So today is Monday, September 28th, and we're going to take you guys along on how we water the chickens and what we feed them. They know it's feeding time. So, in yesterday's video, I explained on where we got Luna, why she's so skinny. If you didn't see that video, go watch that, but I'll go ahead and quickly explain. She was brought to us by a family friend. They never fed her. They took her food from her. She was left outside. She was never played with. So that's why she's really skinny. So what we give her is, what we give Luna to re-nourish her body is 2 scoops of dog food, then 2 scoops of Enfamil Neuro Pro baby formula.
Stay. Luna, sit. Stay. Luna, stay. Stay. Get. You want a treat? Sit.
Show you our animals. This is our cat Princess. This is our dog Jessie. These are her goats.
Okay. What's their name, Charlotte? What's this one's name?
Huh? That one is Ruby.
Okay, and then what's the other one?
Flower.
What's her name?
Flower.
No, her name is Rose.
Rose.
And then what's that brown thing over there?
Donkey.
What's his name?
Donkey.
What noise does the donkey make? What does the goats make?
Map. Map. Water chickens.
What's her name?
Luna.
Luna. Go ahead, you can let her out for a little bit.
Okay.
Good girl. Hey.
It's Grace.
What is she?
Her is Grace.
What does Grace say?
Meow. Meow.
And this is a little rooster.
And this is our turkey.
What's the turkey's name?
Bob.
No. Tom.
Sir.
And then this is our hen. Her name is Ginger. That's Ginger.
Cinnamon.
That's Cinnamon?
Mhm.
No, I think that's Ginger.
No, it has
She has a
not
broken
beak.
beak.
Yeah, that's cinnamon. Go and check for eggs. A big egg and a small
Look!
egg.
Which one's the big one, you think? What color is that?
White.
Now, what color's the other one?
Light green.
Brown.
Brown.
All right, now what are these chickens? What kind of chickens are those?
Silkies.
Good job.
The big chicken too.
That's what is that? You know what the name of that is.
It's sleeping.
But what kind is it? No, Luna. It is a what? Guinea.
Guinea.
That's right.
The bunnies.
That's the bunnies. Luna, no. Luna, no. Luna likes to tease the bunnies. There's Princess.